So if you have this time, can come and see me and we have peace like this, treasure it, okay? I cannot guarantee anything. The world is very complicated place. Yeah? Nothing is always under my control because it goes with the karma of the world, yeah? And of disciples as well. Being an initiate doesn't mean you don't have any more karma. You do have still a lot, so that you can continue to live, to give and take, okay? Yeah. So therefore, some of the people who are working around me or for me, they are full of heavy karma, yeah? Former enemies, for example, they have a lot of bad karma. All kinds of different karma, yeah? That even make the dog sick, make the dog have skin problems when he didn't normally have, make me ill. And when I knew it was too late, it had already happened. You see what I mean? Because when anybody comes in, I don't ever think that she or he has any problem. You know, I think, oh, very devoted, yeah? I never think bad. Number one. Number two, maybe Maya did not want to let me know, wanted me to suffer. So even if I check, nothing comes out, yeah? But I did not. Normally I do not, because they all look very nice and girls. How can you think bad about a nice looking and sweet girl like that? How can you even think anything negative? Until it happens. Until it's already happened. And then I said, can I know now? I check again. I said, can you tell me the truth now or not? Even if you want me to keep her, tell me the truth. And then they told me. Yeah, that happened because of that girl. You know, the energy is sometimes very conflicting, very sharp. Also, if they don't practice well, they don't want to. They just come in just to be near, you know, and just to take a job, and then so everybody feels, oh, awesome. Yeah. Or they're bored outside, you know. Sometimes they don't feel like working outside. Coming next to master, what else would you want? Everybody puffs them up. And that's all they think they do. Come in and just sweep the floor or something, and that's all they do. They don't meditate, not sincerely. And then the energy is not diluted. So just concentrated, and day by day building up, you know, and hurting me and the dogs. I was thinking many times that I should take care of the dogs myself, but I just don't know how yet. The work just keeps piling up, you know, one thing leads to another, and I just can't escape every day. Even if I want to do retreat for 3 days, I need to prepare everything in advance, rush in everything, and then come out and take care of the pile up documents. Even then, that is doable. It's just that during retreat, I'm not allowed to see the dogs, even if I want to. And I cannot not do retreats. I'm really stuck. Not like before, you know, when it was not so urgent. I didn't even need to. I did retreat when I could, you know, when I wanted. And the dog could come, or I had more routine already with the dogs, yeah. These dogs, they are wild dogs. The babies. I didn't have enough time to get them used to with one person like me and train them. So they're frustrated, and sometimes they play rough with each other, biting and all that. But they bite more when that person stays around. I noticed that. That's why I asked. Normally I did not think of anything until it was always when that person was around or just left, and then they began fighting. And then I asked the dog, oh, they told me amazing things. I said, why did you bite her? You know, she's good. She's your sister, together, family. Why did you bite? She said, you cannot help it. I said, what do you mean can help it? She said, that person's energy push her. I said, can you not resist? And this is, I quote the dog, the force is far too strong for me. She didn't say the power. She didn't say the negative power. She said the force. Her force is far too strong for me, like that. And they kept telling me, don't use this person, don't use that person then, you know. They kept giving me signs, but I didn't read. And like they go, normally they go and pee in the middle of the sofa or poo everywhere. And I just scolded them, of course. I said, bad girl, don't do that. Why do that? Yeah. And then later I thought, they didn't do that before ever when they were with me. You see what I mean? When I have a little time to think even, I must have time to think. I did not. That's a problem, Quick, clean, and then go do a next job. A lot of things to take care of. And then they told me they did that, just wanting to warn me. Only after the third or fourth time, then I realized something was wrong. I'm too busy to think. If I'm not doing any documents, then I must meditate. Yeah? Or I feed the dogs or clean the dog's mess and all kinds of things. Or they mess me up, the assistant make me work more. And they mess up all the workers also, not just one person, but one person messes up many others. And then there's a lot of extra work. Instead of just smooth routine, it's like that. And I just let it go. Yeah. But when I know for sure that somebody is really harming the dogs, I don't hesitate. Harm me, okay, I can bear it. I bear so much, sometimes their energy is so filthy. They're hunting me. Oh, my God, you have no idea. And you feel like somebody's spray filth on you, but you cannot escape because too near, and by surprise. Yeah? Oh, I get so mad. But I still keep them because I think, okay, I have to bear it, for the dog's sake. But later when I know they're harmful to the dogs, then I immediately cut them. No hesitation, no question. You don't know, I have to keep changing people all the time because of this, because of that. But always too late. Because I keep hoping that they will change by me telling them, not to do this, not to do that. But no, nothing changes. They come in just for that purpose, just to stick around, to make trouble, to spill filth on people. That's why I'm telling you, ignorance is bliss. The more I know now, the more I see people's heart now, the more I can check now, the more I'm so fed up. The more I feel, oh my God, it's okay if I pay the price, but I don't want my dogs to get hurt, okay? They are innocent. They told me these kinds of things. And then, I asked, how come other dogs didn't tell me? Other dogs also did similar thing. I ignore. You see, I didn't know. I scold them. I put them in the other room, 10 minutes, time out, yeah. And then I clean up. And in 10 minutes, they came out. I love them as usual. So all of them try and it didn't work. I said, if you do it again, you cannot come. And they understood that. Didn't do again. So I asked the last one, the last one who did it. I said, no other dog do it. How come you do it? Why not them? She say, no other dare anymore because you scold them. Okay. I said, then why? How did you dare do it? She said, I also didn't dare, but master's safety is very important to me. I just had to. It told me amazing things. Yeah. It was so touching, and I had to go and hug them and apologize. Sorry, I didn't listen. Sorry, I wrongly accused you. I'm so sorry. I really am sorry, but I love you. Yeah. I just say, go in the room. And so they try to zigzag the way. I said, no, room. And finally, I had to go in with their tail under their legs. Really have to go? Looking at me, really have to go? I said, go. And I had to close them inside. 10 minutes. And they understood that it was wrong. No longer than 10 minutes. They will forget what I did. After 10 minutes, if you continue punishing them, they won't know what's going on. They think you're cuckoo. Yeah. But normally I let them out before that. It's just so that it's easy to clean up, Otherwise, with them running around, they're stepping on everything. And then you cannot clean only one place. You have to clean the whole house. And you have to change the sheets and, blankets, everything. That's more trouble. I don't know how I can take care of my dogs myself. I used to take care of 5 dogs all by myself, and I went shopping even. So it's not that difficult to take care of dogs. Just I wasn't busy. I wasn't so busy like now. And I clean the house, I went shopping, I cook for me, cook for dogs. Clean up, no problem at all. Yeah. It's when you're alone and you know you have to do it, you organize everything. But when involved with a lot of other work, it's difficult. Difficult, yeah. If we have any retreat again, like in June or maybe August something, we have to move again. You understand? There are many regulations. And Sihu, no need. We had a lot of typhoons there before, the whole country wrote in the newspaper, on television, talking bad about me, a lot. The karma was so bad I could not return to Taiwan for 10 years or something. I could not. Every time I tried to come back, something happened. Or I could not stay, a few days only, and then I had to leave. But over there, they used to us already, so nobody wants to come and do anything anymore. They demolish whatever we built before. There's nothing more to demolish, okay? And I don't think they can demolish the trees because that's not illegal to plant trees. So if you are there, it's easier. You see, we've been there many times, no problem, right? Yeah. You didn't have to move anywhere, nowhere to move anyway. It's just that it's different now. It's a new place. I thought it was a good place for you because it's big. I have a big 5-story building, but it's all useless. Looks big, but there's not enough space. And then we have to follow many, regulations. Anyway, we do what we can. I do what I can. We have to follow up, and do many steps, many things in order to make everything legal, according to the law. And it's a lot of work, a lot of paperwork. Before buying, it was a lot of paperwork. That was the easy part. And then some of your brothers and sisters, because originally I wanted to buy this place and pay for it. But then heaven say no. Let them pay sometimes. Because if many people buy, then there's different karma, It's easier. But if only I buy, then only I have the merit, none of you have anything. Then it won't last, like many other places that I bought for you guys, it will not last. It will make trouble. So this time they chip in. I pay like more or less half of it. And originally I say, you all have to pay. I pay no more. I use the money for something else. For Supreme Master TV, for the needy people. You guys, a lot of people, if everybody chip in, it's enough to buy. Enough. But they didn't have enough at that time. And that was the deadline. You had to pay the deposit or you lose everything. And so the deposit had to be a substantial sum. Yeah, the first deposit may be less, but the second deposit had to be more, and they didn't have enough at that time. So I said, okay, I lend it to you. You have to repay me. No interest. But I did not lend. I said, never mind, give it. I am not used to with lending money. I don't know how. So later they say, slowly, we will repay you, Master. I said, never mind. I'm just saying that. I give it as a gift. How can you lend it to your own disciples and take it back? I say, what I give out already, I don't take it back. It's okay, yeah. Maybe they have enough now, have more than at that time, but we need it more. We need it more to build things and repair.